Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. How's your day going? Tell me what you're cooking today. I'm trying something simple and tasty today. Perfect for a busy day. Sometimes the simplest meals bring the most comfort. Today's recipe: cooking in a budget special. Mutton stew. Let's start the recipe. 4 tablespoons of oil. 2 medium onions sliced. Cook on medium flame for 6 to 8 minutes or turn into light golden color. Stir occasionally. When onions start to turn light golden, then add 500 grams of mutton, mixed pieces. Cook until mutton changes its color. Look at that perfect color. Mutton's ready for the next step. Two tablespoons of garlic and ginger crushed. Let it cook on low flame for 6 to 8 minutes while mixing gently. Now it's time for the highlight of the recipe, our special stew spices. "12 black peppercorn, 1 bay leaf, 4 green cardamom, 3 black cardamom, 3 cinnamon sticks, ½ tablespoon of white cumin, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1½ teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, Time to add all those special spices to the mutton. Give it a good mix so every spice perfectly brings out its flavor. Keep sauteing for about 10 minutes until the masala is well cooked. Now add 3 medium-sized sliced tomatoes. Cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Here's how it looks after 5 minutes of cooking. Add 3 cups of water. Cook on high flame until it boils. When it starts boiling, give it to pressure for 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, the mutton has turned out perfectly tender. Now add 6 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix well. Cook it till the water evaporates and oil starts to come on top. Just look at that rich, delicious gravy. Alhamdulillah. Cooking in a budget special. Mutton stew is ready to serve. How's it looking? Tell me in the comments. Your kitchen deserves this flavor. Give it a go. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more budget-friendly recipes. Don't keep the secret. Share these recipes with your loved ones. Allah Hafiz.